All right, so here I have a couple different kinds of cotton. You have the cotton that comes in the cone. These are like $12 to like $15. And right now, this is 2023. And you get quite a bit of cotton. I've used some of that. That's why it does not have the label on it. Here is Peaches and Cream. You can get this at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's. And this is stripy, so it's a variegated. Here is Peyton's Grace. And this is a size 3, where this one is a medium 4. So you could see the difference. One's lighter, one's a little bit thicker. This is turning into be a mess on my Lion Brand Ice Cream Cotton Blend. So this one is 47% cotton and 53% acrylic, which is what I used on the orange dishcloth. This is I Love Cotton. This is a size 4 medium. So they're saying that this one and this one are the same. But to me, the red looks a little thicker. As I drop the strings, so that doesn't help. To me, trying to hold it up, the red looks a little bit thicker. But this is Hobby Lobby yarn. So each place is going to be different for the weight. This one is a Karen Cotton Funnel Cakes. It is a 4 medium, which is what these two are supposed to be. Oh, and this one. So, but if you look at them, they're all like different sized. This one is more like a roving. I'm not sure if I can pull it out. Yeah, it's turning into yarn bark because I'm not able to pull it right out. Yeah, I'm not even going to try anymore, but like here is. So there's those kinds of yarns. This is just cotton yarn I'm showing you. So here is this one. It's a baby cotton DMC. This is a kit, so there's like 4 skeins to make planters. And oh, there's only 3 balls in here. Let's open this. Because I haven't used this kind and I haven't seen this. So let's just open it. So, oh, it gives you a crochet hook as well. And it's a size 3.5 millimeter. This is a smaller size than what I have been using on the dishcloth. So this is a G. So this one is probably A, B, C, D, E, F. That's an F. So I want to put that back in here. So this is 100% cotton. And it's a 3 lightweight. So each skein that you use will be different weighted. You just have to pick which comfortable for you. Usually the 4 weight is good for me. Here is Sinfonia from Hobby Lobby. I got it on clearance for $1.62. And it is sports weight number 8. So each one is going to be different. Like here I have paint box yarn. That's cotton. Look at how thin. It says it's a 3 lightweight. So it's comparing to this as a 3. So you can kind of see that that's lighter. And then this one is the I Love Cotton. And it's a 4 weight medium. This one is yarn barf. Yarn's going everywhere. It's going to tie up. I'm going to have to roll it into a ball. So this is 85% cotton, 15% polyester from Premier. And it says that's a 4 weight medium. So this should be the same size as these. The green one feels a little lighter to me than this blue one or the red one, but they're all 4 weight. So, but this is yarn barf because it's all coming out and it's all going to tie up. Yarn barf is a slang for crocheters. So, the slang words will be coming up too. Thank you.